This 2024 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 264 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a casino interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, air conditioning, skylight, oven, slide-out, awning, water heater, leveling jacks, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 264 RKS is 5,882 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.